Cooking for long periods of time over low heat infused with wood smoke is what smoking, and what some call real barbecue, is all about. Cooking low and slow tenderizes tough cuts of meat like beef brisket, pork shoulder, pork butts, and spare ribs. Let's get started. Top off and light the Big Green Egg natural lump charcoal. The mix of 100% natural oak and hickory wood ensures an even fire and unmatched flavor. Bring the egg up to the desired temperature. Smoking temperatures generally range from 225 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. When smoking foods, aromatic wood smoking chips and chunks provide an additional, subtle ingredient to your favorite recipes, delicately seasoning food as it cooks. Chips are ideal for quick bursts of smoke, while the chunks are larger pieces of hardwood better suited for creating more smoke over a longer period of time. Add the convector and a cooking grid. A convector is useful when smoking because it adds a barrier between the food and the direct heat of the fire, which allows the hot air and smoke to circulate around the food. The design of the egg makes it easy to adjust the draft openings for low and slow temperatures, and the egg can maintain precise temperatures for 16 to 18 hours or more. And the egg is so efficient that you can do this without consistently opening up the dome and adding charcoal.